Is this like a paradox? Like you got the hiccups
Why?
watching yourself with the hiccups?
I didn't know that. Oh man.